Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of hairstyling tools to bring you the top 5 best hairbrush dryers that are making waves in 2024. Whether you're looking for smoother blowouts, faster drying time, or that perfect salon finish at home, we've got you covered. We've handpicked these brush dryers based on performance, design, price, and customer feedback, so you'll know exactly which one is right for you. And don't worry, I've linked all the featured products down in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself after watching. Let's get into it. Top 5 best hairbrush dryers. 5. LANDOT Hair Blow Dryer Brush. Experience more care for your hair with this 4-in-1 hair dryer brush, a powerful all-in-one tool designed to dry, style, smooth, and volumize in just one step. Featuring advanced ceramic titanium technology and direct ion technology, it delivers even heat distribution while reducing frizz by up to 30% and minimizing heat damage for shinier, healthier-looking hair. The unique oval brush design smooths strands and adds volume with every stroke, while nylon pin and tufted bristles make detangling easy and boost control, making it perfect even for second-day hair. With 3 heat speed settings and a cool option, it's suitable for all hair types, delivering salon-quality blowouts in half the time. Certified for U.S. safety standards, ETL, this dryer brush is a safe, efficient, and stylish solution for everyday hair care. No more dryness, burning, or frizz. TYMO Hair Dryer Brush. The TYMO Professional One-Step Hair Styler is a versatile 4-in-1 tool that functions as a blow dryer, volumizer, straightener, and curler, perfect for achieving salon-quality results at home. Designed to be used close to the scalp, it dries and styles wet hair simultaneously, creating smooth, voluminous looks from root to tip. Its nano-titanium-coated barrel ensures even heat distribution to protect against overstyling, while advanced negative ion technology helps repair damaged hair, reduce frizz, and enhance shine. The innovative 360-degree vent with a 1200-watt motor increases drying efficiency by 50%, cutting styling time significantly. Patent Smooth Touch bristles offer detangling, lift, and scalp protection, while 3 customizable heat settings and an intuitive bottom knob ensure safe and flexible styling for every hair type. Weighing just 1.26 pounds, it delivers professional performance with ease and comfort. 3. Lange Hair, Le Volume 75mm. Get the blowout of your dreams, your way, with this 2-in-1 titanium brush dryer from Lange. Whether you're after sleek, straight strands, sky-high volume, or soft, curled ends, this styling tool delivers it all with less drying time and faster results. Its unique oval-shaped barrel with 360-degree airflow and titanium plates smooths, shapes, and volumizes as it dries, giving you a salon-quality finish at home. With customizable heat settings, low for fine hair, high for thick or textured hair, and cool to enhance shine, you're in full control of your style. Plus, the compact design means you can travel lighter without the need for an extra round brush. And with our risk-free money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. Just flawless hair to gain. wavytalk Thermal Brush. Experience salon-quality results at home with the wavytalk 196 Heated Round Brush, a powerful all-in-one styling tool engineered for convenience and performance. Featuring advanced negative ion technology, this thermal brush seals the hair cuticle to reduce frizz and boost shine, leaving your strands smooth and radiant. With 5 adjustable temperature settings and an intuitive LED digital display, you can customize the heat level for your hair type, ranging from gentle 300 Bar for fine hair to 420 Bars for thick locks, ensuring optimal styling with minimal heat damage. The curling iron and brush combo, complete with tourmaline ceramic barrel and elongated heated bristles, glides effortlessly through hair for voluminous curls, tousled waves, or a sleek blowout look. Enhanced by double PTC heating technology, it cuts styling time in half by curling as it brushes. No extra clips or tools required. Whether you're after bounce, texture, or smoothness, elevate your hair game with this efficient, versatile styling essential. 1 REVLON Volumizer 2.0 Plus. Experience salon-quality blowouts right at home with the REVLON One-Step Volumizer Plus hairdryer and styler. Designed to deliver sleek, voluminous styles in up to half the time, this powerful tool offers 50% less heat exposure and 75% more shine for healthier-looking hair. The 2.4-inch oval brush features ceramic titanium tourmaline technology and charcoal-infused bristles to detangle, smooth, lift, and curl with ease. Perfect for mid to long hair. Its elevated oval head with a 30% smaller barrel ensures precise root styling and added volume, while the slim, detachable design makes it ideal for travel. With multiple heat settings, low, medium, high, and cool, you can customize your styling experience and reduce damage. Say goodbye to complicated routines and hello to effortless, professional results in just one step. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best hairbrush dryers that can help you achieve salon-quality styles right at home. Whether you're going for volume, sleek straight hair, or a quick dry and style, there's something here for every hair type and budget. If you're interested in checking out any of these products, I've linked them all down in the description below, so be sure to take a look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a style tip. Until next time, stay fabulous.